Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zesty Italian pasta salad easy method. Start by boiling rotini until al dente, drain, and toss with a little olive oil to stop sticking. While pasta cools, chop peppers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and parsley. Whisk a tangy dressing with red wine vinegar, garlic, olive oil, and a pinch of sugar, then combine everything and chill for the flavors to marry. In this video, I will show how to make zesty Italian pasta salad easy method. Mix red wine vinegar, minced garlic, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of sugar before slowly whisking in extra virgin olive oil. Add crushed red pepper for heat and grated Parmesan for savory depth. Taste and adjust salt and pepper. Chilling the salad helps flavors meld, so make it a bit brighter than you think and let it rest in the fridge. In this video, I will show how to make zesty Italian pasta salad easy method. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for setting timers, playing upbeat kitchen music, and keeping recipes hands-free while you cook. It's compact, sounds great for background music, and can answer questions about conversions when you need them. If you like this tip, check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make zesty Italian pasta salad easy method. Gently fold cooled pasta with the dressing to coat evenly without crushing ingredients. Stir in diced mozzarella, olives, and fresh basil, then sprinkle with extra Parmesan and cracked black pepper. Let the salad rest for at least 30 minutes so flavors develop, then serve chilled or room temperature, and offer extra vinaigrette on the side for guests who want more zing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.